Hello everyone. This is Data Science and Business Analytics project by the Sparks Foundation. My name is Rahul Verma. This is my task 1, predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. So let's begin. In the beginning we are importing some main libraries, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib and C1 for data visualization. Here we are importing the data with the help of Pandas library. Here we are having a view on data. So let's explore this data. So let's plot our data on a 2D graph to find any relationship between the data. We are plotting this graph with the help of Matplotlib library. So there is a graph. So with the help of this graph, we can clearly conclude that variables are moving in the same direction. If the number of hours increases, the number of score also increases. You can clearly see that there is a linear relationship in between hours studies and percentage score. So we will move ahead. Now let's prepare the data. Declare the independent and dependent variable for model building, as we have to predict the score of students which depends on hours of study. So we will divide this data into independent variable and dependent variable. Now that we have our attributes and labels, the next step is to split the data into training and test sets. We will do this by using sklearn's built-in test split method. From sklearn.model selection, we will import train test split. So we will give the test size is equals to 0.2. That means 80% data will go for the training and 20% data will go for test. Now training the algorithm. We have split our data into training and testing sets, and now is finally time to train our algorithm. For training data, we explore the linear regression from sklearn library. sklearn.linear model imported linear regression and we have fitted our data into it. And at last we have printed training complete. So here is our intercept. It is a y-intercept, which means the minimum mark scored by the student. This coefficient, it is the slope of parameter x, which shows at what rate the x changes. So now we are plotting the regression line with the help of these two, regression coefficient. Here's the linear equation, y is equals to b plus b1 x plus e. So b is intercept, b1 is coefficient, e is error. Here's the line. We have plotted this with the help of Matplotlib. This is our regression equation. So now it's time to make prediction, because we have completely made our data, trained our data. Now we make prediction on test data. So regression of predict x test, and we have predicted the scores. Now we will compare actual versus predicted to test the how good model is trained. So there is actual and this is predicted. So we will find the error, which is very low. You can see data actual minus data predicted. Now you can also test with your own data, like we have taken 9.25 hours study and we get the result that student gonna score 93.1%. Evaluating the model, the final step is to evaluate the performance of algorithm. This step is particularly important to compare how well different algorithms perform on a particular data set. For simplicity here, we have chosen the mean square error. There are many such metrics. So from sklearn matrix, we have imported matrix. So mean absolute error is very low, you can see here, and we have also concluded the R square. So you can see the R square tells the how good our model is prepared. So you can see here. Thank you so much for watching this.